Food waste has always played a prominent part in our climate. It's responsible for 6 to 8% of greenhouse gas emissions. But what if we told you that we could put it to good use and it might help us save the planet? Food waste is only waste when you waste it. When it's placed in landfills, it produces methane, which is 18 to 25 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. Currently, 50% of our food relies on manufactured ammonia fertilizers to grow, and their production alone is responsible for 1% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Not to mention its application process, which is responsible for 1.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. What we could maybe do instead is turn it into fertilizers. Bokashi fermentation is a highly forgiving, flexible way of composting organic material. You only need an airtight bucket, food waste, bran mixture with effective microorganisms, sealing the container, and letting it ferment at room temperature for 2 to 4 weeks. This is only one of many ways you can start your journey towards minimizing food waste. Another step we could take is to hold the powers that be accountable. Whether it be municipalities, larger industries, or corporations, they should provide resources and information to us as the general public. Also, start composting. A big part of making changes is normalization. If you find the Bokashi method intimidating, you can try out alternatives like aerobic composting or mealworm composting, which is what we do at Livin Farms, and start partaking as soon as possible. Lastly, have you ever thought about the soil as a city and paid attention to the soil around you? Why do we have different vegetation and rocks? Is the soil at the bottom of a hill different to that of the top? Or maybe try a little at-home experiment called the tea bag index, which requires you to measure the weight difference of a tea bag before and after burying it in soil for 2 weeks. The more active your soil is, less content remains. Food waste has been an ongoing battle that we're trying to fight, and we believe that with your help, we're slowly but surely building a better planet. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at thehiveexplorer.com and follow the Misplaced series.